How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a deeper voice step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So there's a couple of things that you can do for a deeper voice. There's a couple of exercises you can do. I'm going to show you guys a couple of different ones that you can do. You guys can make a little workout out of it if you want. Now for me, I noticed my voice got deeper when I started meditating. The reason being is because deep breathing helps with a deeper voice. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick couple of exercises you can do. So first one is going to be a deep breathing. So we're going to take 3 deep breaths. So just like this big deep breath. So perfect. Now, I only recommend when you're first starting off to do 3 to 4 deep breaths and then take a 30-second to a 1-minute break. The reason being, when you first start off, if you do more than about 3 to 4 reps, you're going to notice you're going to get quite dizzy. So this was a main thing when I started meditating, was don't do too much deep breathing. Again, 3 to 4 deep breaths, take a little bit of a break. Eventually your body will get used to it. You can start to do more in a row, but when you're first starting, don't do that many. What we can do instead is we can practice raising our chest up and down. That is another exercise that can help for deep voice. So all you're going to do is you're going to start with your chest down, shoulders rounded, and then all you're going to do is this. Just like that. No deep breathing. Don't take deep breaths. Just move your chest up, down, up, down. So that's 3. You want to do 10 reps. 4. And again, just breathe normal. Again, come down. Perfect. Quick little break. Then go back to the deep breath. So that's 3 breaths. That's it. Again, I can do a lot more in a row, but for people watching this video, beginners first starting off, 3 reps, that's it. But we can still do chest raise, come back down. Chest raise. Again, just normal breathing, no deep breaths. Just keep going. 3, back down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.